Alright, YouTube, we back again. Gone ahead and took care of our imperfections. Went ahead and got it all blocked down. Our big spot there, we ended up with a little more filler than I wanted, but that's what it had to have. Which, for the amount of work that went into that roof, that does not surprise me. But we're looking good. Went ahead and started blocking the trunk down. I've got a few spots around the edge. Gray spots there. I had to put a little filler in those. Not much. Got our filler put in our low spots on the trunk. Went ahead and did that whole edge. Got a few little spots in the middle. Nothing major. I'm gonna get that block down. Finish getting this trunk straightened out, get it ready for another coat of primer. Alright, YouTube, we got all our spots blocked back down. We got all them lows out. There was more than I expected. But we got it straightened out now. Wanted to get another coat of primer on it. We're going to start tearing this clip down, getting the grill and the headlights and everything out of it. For the most part, it's in real good shape. We do have one spot we need to take care of. So we'll get this thing broke down, cleaned up. Get our one little spot fixed. Start getting it ready for some primer. we got our clip stripped down. Everything's really in pretty good shape. I had a couple screws that were a little bit stripped, but fortunately we were able to get them out. Our damage is a little worse than we thought. It actually goes back into there. It's nothing a little fiberglass work won't take care of. We'll get it cleaned up and we're going to start working on our damage. Alright, YouTube, we got our clip cleaned up. We're going to start getting ready to fix our damaged place right here. Before we hit the outside though, we're going to go ahead and hit the spot on the inside. Anytime you're doing fiberglass repairs, if you're able to get to the back side of a crack or a busted spot, it's always advised to do so. Helps reinforce it so it won't re-break in the same spot again. Makes it stronger. So we're going to go ahead and get that cleaned up and hit the inside. And then we'll clean up the outside and get it took care of. Alright, YouTube. Got the back side glassed back in. I'll start working on this front side. Got me some pieces cut up. Gotta mix up some resin. We're gonna get this side took care of. Alright, YouTube, got the outside done, back together, all one piece. I'll trim that little bottom part off after it dries. All we got to do now is sand the rest of it. And to finish working that, sand it down, get some Bondo glass put in it. Check for highs and lows, get it in primer, and it'll be ready to go. Next, we'll be working on the rear clip, getting it took apart. to it. We got the rear clip took apart. Still need to clean it up, get all the dirt and junk off of it. Pretty dirty. I do have one repair over here. Fiberglass is busted. No big deal. See, we got our clip cleaned up. Cleaned up pretty good, actually. Still got to take care of that repair right there. That's going to be all for this video, though. I'm running out of time. Still got to get another coat of primer put on that roof. And I will be guide coating this thing when I get to that point. I have not put a guide coat on it yet because I knew there was still a good bit of body work left to do. And I still got to prime that door again. But guys, this car has come a long way. We still got a good ways to go. But it's come a long way. If you would have seen this thing when I first got it, you would not believe this was the same car. I'm very pleased with the way it's coming out. The owner's very pleased with the way it's coming out. But until next time, y'all let me know what you think about the project. Leave me a like if you like it. If you don't like it, leave me a dislike. Constructive criticism. Y'all let me know what you think, man. This thing's come a long way.